Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings on iPhone or System Preferences on Mac. Tap or click your Apple ID area and choose Create Apple ID. Enter your name, birth date, and the email you'll use as your iCloud account. This becomes your Apple ID. Once done, create a strong password and set security questions. These stop account takeover. Make sure your trusted phone number is ready for verification text or call, because Apple will send a code to confirm it. After verifying your Apple ID with the code, sign into iCloud on each device using the same credentials. This keeps data consistent. You'll see a list of services, toggle photos, contacts, calendars, iCloud Drive, and backups according to what you need. Once enabled, iCloud automatically syncs changes across devices, so you won't lose files. Make sure to configure iCloud backup frequency and enable Find My iPhone for location and security. This helps recover a lost device or remotely erase it if necessary. You finish by checking iCloud settings to confirm backups completed and data appears on another device. This verifies sync. If you need more space, upgrade your iCloud Plus plan to 50 GB or higher from settings. Billing updates immediately. Make sure your devices are listed under your Apple ID and that Find My is active. If something goes wrong, first check your internet connection, then sign out of iCloud and sign back in, or reset the Apple ID password to re-establish secure access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.